My name's Neil Spicer. I'm the Operations Director for R Glass and Roofing Systems Limited. We've been in business since 2000, 1999-2000, from a small company. Originally set up to supply sealed units and glass roof kits. The business has grew and grew. We buy from Saint Gobain. I will say 99% of our glass that we bring into the company is through Saint Gobain. We supply pretty much most of our work goes to the domestic market, the house refurbishment market. R was traded with Saint Gobain, or it was Gibbs and Dandy Glass at the time. It was the only company that would listen to us in the early days. So had a bit of faith in us, and obviously that's worked very well for both companies going forward. That longevity of that relationship is key, I think, to making us successful. Certainly has a major part in what we've done. Also, with the size of our building, we've got a lot of machinery in there, and space is an absolute premium. So for us, sometimes we virtually have to run out of glass to restock. So it's pretty key to us that when we ask for a product to arrive, it does arrive at that time, but otherwise we run out. We've also got the added bonus of then through the glass solutions thing, we can buy processed glass. So quite often we toughen our own glass here on site, but we have issues with machinery. Quite recently we changed our toughening plant. We put a brand new machine in, which meant that we were 8 weeks without a toughening process. So we were able, to keep it under the same umbrella, we were able to order that glass in through Glass Solutions. Probably 4 years ago we had a glass shortage. I think there was a couple of float tanks in the country that had gone down out of action for rebuilds or whatever at the same time. And a lot of companies suffered greatly on the back of that. But for us, I think, and the relationship we had with Saint Gobain Glass Solutions, we were able to work on an allocation basis and with constant liaison with our customers and with the communication from Saint Gobain, we were able to just about service everybody through that period. And I think a lot of other companies did fail on that aspect. So I think that's a very strong point, and I think that the relationship developing over a long period of time enables you to be able to do that. We get a lot of quotes come through with weird and wonderful glass types. The whole glass world is just full of brand names and terminologies that are quite difficult to understand. What I would like to see, and I don't know whether it's possible, but if there could be some sort of quick reference sheet, but it would certainly help us to sell Saint Gobain glass, which is what we want to do for our benefit and also for Saint Gobain's benefit. I think Saint Gobain and all the glass companies are very good at promoting these products. All the brochures are there, and they're lovely, pretty brochures that everybody looks at when they're designing their extension, conservatory or curtain walling project or whatever they're doing. And yes, this glass will do the job for us, it's brilliant, but can we get it? Can we get it?